Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make a backup of the app and its assets so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the development environment or the device's app settings, depending on where you'll change the name and picture. Make sure you can access the app package or project folder. The manifest or info file usually lives there. You need read/write permission, so grant those now. This initial access prevents interruptions later when you replace resources or edit text fields. Now you edit the actual name and picture. For mobile, change the app label in Android Manifest. XML or the CF bundle display name and info. Plist, for desktop, open the app metadata file. Replace icon image files with correctly sized PNGs or vector assets. Include every density bucket, MDPI, HDPI, XHDPI, XXHDPI, so the OS selects the right one. Once done, update any localized string resources so the new name appears in other. Finish by rebuilding and installing the app so changes take effect. Recompile the project or repack the app, then install it on a device or emulator. Make sure to clear icon caches on the device if the old image persists. Verify the display name across launchers and the app info screen to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, check build logs and resource reference paths first. Most failures are mismatched file names or missing densities, and correcting those resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.